How to pay Disney Plus with Google Play. Want to pay for Disney Plus using Google Play? Let's set it up step by step. So open the Google Play Store and search for Disney Plus and then install the app on your device. Now, launch Disney Plus, tap subscribe, and choose your plan. Google Play billing will appear as the payment option. Select your payment method, Google Play Balance, link card, or gift card. Confirm and your Disney Plus subscription is billed through Google Play. To manage, open Google Play, Profile, Payments and Subscriptions, and here you can update payment methods, cancel, or renew Disney Plus. And that's it. That is how to pay Disney Plus with Google Play.